Pinus root TS. Pinus root TS means root transfer section. Shows spheroidal outline with ridges and furrows. It shows mainly three major portions. One is epidermis, second one is cortex, third one is stele. It is the stele. Epidermis is outermost layer. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. The epidermis protected to inner parts and it gives a perfect shape to root. The epidermis of root covered by thick cuticle. Beneath of epidermis or below the epidermis, cortex is present. The cortex divided into two portions, two subportions. One is outer cortex, second one is inner cortex. Outer cortex made by collenchyma tissue. Clearly visible, children. Outer cortex made by collenchyma tissue. And inner cortex made by normal parenchyma tissue. They are loosely arranged. They maintain intercellular spaces. These are helps in storage of starch food material. And at center region, stele is present. The stele surrounded by endodermis. It is a single layer. Endodermis is present. And below the endodermis, single layer of pericycle is present. Below the endodermis, single layer of pericycle is present. From this pericycle, lateral roots are developed in the pinus root. And endodermis is also called starch layer. The endodermal cells are filled with starch. On this endodermis, Casparian strips are clearly visible. Casparian strips means the Casparian scientist identified starch sheath around the endodermis cells. So these sheaths are called Casparian sheath. The Casparian sheaths also present in the endodermis. Below the pericycle, vascular tissues are arranged in a radial position. Vascular tissues are arranged in a radial position. The vascular tissues are called phloem and xylem. The xylem and phloem tissues are arranged in a radial position. The xylem shows two types of xylem. One is protoxylem and one is metaxylem. Large xylem cells are called, large size of xylem cells are called metaxylem. Small size of xylem cells are called, small size of xylem cells are called protoxylem. From each metaxylem cells, protoxylem, two protoxylems are developed. They are capital V in structure. Between these two protoxylems, resin canals are present. Resin canals are general characters of the pinus. Resin canals are present in the pinus root system. They are present between two protoxylems. They are present between two protoxylems. And alternate of these xylem, phloem tissues are present. The xylem tissues mainly helps in conduction of water and minerals to total plant pot. And phloem main function is translocation of organic substance to total plant pots. And at center region of stele, parenchymatous medulla is present. At center region of stele, parenchymatous medulla is present. It mainly helps in storage of starch food material. The medullary tissues are loosely arranged, they maintain large intercellular spaces.